Why there are two colors? Luigi. Okay, Luigi can't work. Good.
We don't have any money. We're not famous.
What?
There's no paparazzi chasing us, but when we walk down the street, people wonder who we are.
Oh my god. Cool outfit. Wow. Okay, good. Hey, hey, hey.
What are you doing?
Wow. Ouch, what is that? What? Oh my god. Oh my god. One mistake and it's over. Good transition.
Das ist das Blödste, was ich seit langem gesehen habe.
Okay. Whoa. Very dangerous situation. Very dangerous situation. Okay, why? What happened? Nobody knows. Okay, nothing happened. Oh, it's moving. What? Oh my god, this dog is crazy. Oh my god.
О, брат, а подскажи, где здесь нормальный барбекю?
Dropped, you know what I'm saying? And they got the camera in it too. Listen, bro. We
So
in that
nice,
good life.
creative. He wanted to see stars. Now he sees stars. Ouch! What?
You like it? You like it? Taking a shit?
Sweet. Morning. Really? Oh.